together.
Yeah.
What is startup success for you?
For me, startup success is um when um there are lots of people who knows about your product, using your product, and they love using your product, and you know that your product is impacting their life for the better. And of course, if we target our annual profit.
What is startup success for you? For me, so for every startup is at least I would define success to our North Star metric, right? Our North Star metric when it comes to our startup is the number of successful hires, right? Quality referrals. So ideally, these are referrals that we stay to the company after, with more than 6 months, 1 year to 2 years. For us, that is success for next hire. Because we know that we're able to refer talents properly, successfully, and of course, we're able to create an impact sa recruitment ng mga companies.
Yeah, and basically, na-solve na talaga yung problem ng company.
What is startup success for you?
Startup success for me is that when people are start using your product and creating and maximizing the value that you can give even though through your services.
So ayun, Justin, what's startup success for you?
Startup success for me is una, if nakikita namin yung impact na nagagawa namin on the part of the school. Pag nakita namin na yung mga teachers are able to spend more time with their families, sa akin nakikita ko we are successful. So basically, startup success for me is on the part of the impact that we are delivering doon sa aming mga intended users.
True impact naman talaga.
See.
Kenneth, what is startup success for you?
That's always like, yeah, that's really like tough questions. That was a hard question. Especially now as I'm still, trying to do another one or trying to do a new one. But for me, it's startup success to be able to achieve milestones at the beginning. Introduce your MVP and also people happy about your product, and then you're able to really like validate your propositions. It's always success. But of course, startup is always a long journey. You don't think only like the present. You think always the future, right? That how can you make it more useful to the people and also to other people, other demographics of users that can possibly use your product. But of course, yeah, as long as the team also are happy and also motivated to do things and are able to solve really critical problems here in the Philippines and also internationally, then for us that's already a success. But of course, still a long way to go. Success is always about money, right? So as we're able to make money in the future, I can say that's the most successful.
Startup journey, awat ng Diyos, no? We are able to grow the startup since I last talked in this podcast. Then, what is startup success for you?
Startup success for me means our startup is getting traction and real positive feedback from our existing customers. Because that's complete validation that what we're doing is the right thing.
I like that answer.
Okay, next question. What is startup success for you? Startup success for me is being consistent in everything that you do. Kasi when it comes to consistency naman, wala ka namang need na i-improve, but continue doing what you do best. And eventually, makahanap pa rin din yung breakthrough mo in a startup scene. So yeah, being consistent is actually the key to success.
Good answer. Consistency until breakthrough.